Which sector in Tamil Nadu is described as the single largest? A. Handloom. B. Cement production. C. Information technology. D. Automobile manufacturing. The correct answer is A. Handloom. What type of forest is found in Tamil Nadu in areas with little rainfall? A. Tropical evergreen forest. B. Mangrove forest. C. Montane forest. D. Tropical thorn forest. The correct answer is D. Tropical thorn forest. The Killiyur Falls are situated in which hill ranges? A. Anaimlai Hills. B. Kolli Hills. C. Shervarayo Hill Ranges. D. Kodaikanal Hills. The correct answer is C. Shervarayo Hill Ranges. What is the primary component responsible for the red color in red clay soil? A. Carbonate minerals. B. Iron oxide. C. Quartz. D. Feldspar. The correct answer is B. Iron oxide. What type of land is primarily used for cattle on large ranches in North America? A. Poorer sparse pastures. B. Drier parts of the prairies. C. Desert regions. D. Richer pastures. The correct answer is D. Richer pastures. Which part of the globe is mentioned in relation to the Northern Hemisphere? A. The equatorial region. B. The Southern Hemisphere. C. The Western Hemisphere. D. The Eastern Hemisphere. The correct answer is B. The Southern Hemisphere. What does passenger rail transport in Australia primarily include? A. Limited commuter networks. B. Extensive intercity networks. C. Widespread commuter networks in major cities. D. Only interstate networks. The correct answer is C. Widespread commuter networks in major cities. Where is the Kamuthi Solar Power Project located? A. Tanjavur District in Tamil Nadu. B. Madurai District in Tamil Nadu. C. Ramanathapuram District in Tamil Nadu. D. Tirunelveli District in Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is C. Ramanathapuram District in Tamil Nadu. How many kilograms are in a pound of ambergris mentioned in the text? A. 0.454 kilograms. B. 0.5 kilograms. C. 1 kilogram. D. 2.2 kilograms. The correct answer is A. 0.454 kilograms. Which oceans does East Antarctica face? A. Pacific and Arctic Oceans. B. Arctic and Indian Oceans. C. Atlantic and Indian Oceans. D. Southern and Pacific Oceans. The correct answer is C. Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Which districts are known for growing coconut? A. Villupuram, Kadalur, Thoothukudi. B. Salem, Karur, Namakkal. C. Coimbatore, Tanjavur, Kanyakumari. D. Erode, Ramanathapuram, Sivgangai. The correct answer is C. Coimbatore, Tanjavur, Kanyakumari. What is the term for depositing transported eroded materials? A. Deposition. B. Erosion. C. Weathering. D. Abrasion. The correct answer is A. Deposition. In what areas does GPS help, besides general transport data? A. Software development and integration. B. Military searches and rescue in wars. C. Digital photograph enhancement. D. Analog record keeping and improvement. The correct answer is B. Military searches and rescue in wars. From what Latin word are sedimentary rocks named? A. Sedia. B. Solemn. C. Saxum. D. Sediment. The correct answer is D. Sediment. What is the general term for the disintegration or decomposition of rocks? A. Compaction. B. Deposition. C. Erosion. D. Weathering. The correct answer is D. Weathering. What is listed as a potential resource of the Antarctic region, alongside silver and platinum? A. Iron ore. B. Bauxite. C. Limestone. D. Diamonds. The correct answer is A. Iron ore. Where do rivers typically originate? A. Higher landforms like mountains and hills. B. Coastal areas. C. Plains. D. Deserts. The correct answer is A. Higher landforms like mountains and hills. Where does the phenomenon occur when the sun remains overhead for 24 hours a day during summer months? A. Tropic of Capricorn. B. Equator. C. Arctic Circle. D. South Pole. The correct answer is C. Arctic Circle. Which of the following is listed as a division of tourism in the provided text? A. Space tourism. B. Adventure tourism. C. Food tourism. D. Medical tourism. The correct answer is B. Adventure tourism. What do natural hazards and disasters often cause according to news reports? A. Positive environmental changes. B. Economic growth and service improvement. C. Increased social cohesion. D. Health impacts and property damage. The correct answer is D. Health impacts and property damage. A geographer primarily uses which tool for their work? A. Geographic software. B. A map. C. Satellite imageries. D. Personnel. The correct answer is B. A map. Where is an important bauxite iron ore mining center located? A. In the Atacama Desert. B. Near the mouth of the Amazon River. C. In the Andes Mountains. D. In northern Chile. The correct answer is B. Near the mouth of the Amazon River. What can start massive forest fires in hot and dry weather? A. Landslides. B. Lightning. C. Floods. D. Tsunamis. The correct answer is B. Lightning. What percentage of India's leather tanning processes are accounted for by Tamil Nadu? A. 40%. B. 50%. C. 38%. D. 60%. The correct answer is D. 60%. Which continent bounds the Indian Ocean to the north? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. Africa. D. Asia. The correct answer is D. Asia. What is defined as the sudden overflow of water in a large amount? A. Cyclone. B. Tsunami. C. Dust storm. D. Flood. The correct answer is D. Flood. What is the study of rocks called? A. Biology. B. Mineralogy. C. Petrology. D. Geology. The correct answer is C. Petrology. Which state in India has the highest population density? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Bihar. The correct answer is D. Bihar. What is the primary characteristic of a cyclone? A. Stable air. B. High pressure. C. No pressure. D. Low pressure. The correct answer is D. Low pressure. The Pacific Ring of Fire is described as a volcanic zone of what type of plate boundary? A. Spreading ridge plate boundary. B. Convergent oceanic plate boundary. C. Transform oceanic plate boundary. D. Divergent continental plate boundary. The correct answer is B. Convergent oceanic plate boundary. How did you score?